These volcanoes are more than 200 years away from the last eruption. For volcanoes, more than 200 years is not long at all. They are young volcanoes in China, but they have witnessed the birth of the Wudalianchi scenic area. Erupting lava spread out in all directions. Some of it remained here, cooling and solidifying, forming a black-grey lava plateau, measuring hundreds of square kilometers wide, commonly known as the rock field. More lava flowed along the terrain, blocking the path of the river below, eventually forming 5 beaded lakes. The lakes are interconnected, hence they are known as the Wudalianchi, namely 5 connected lakes. With 14 volcanoes nearby, Wudalianchi, with its concentration of typical volcanic landforms, is a giant natural volcano museum. After hundreds of years, human beings, birds and animals and vegetation have together reshaped the appearance of this land. South Globe Mountain has become the symbol of Wudalianchi, not only because it's the oldest of the 14 volcanoes, but also because there is a naturally formed lake at its top.